What are they?
You share with me, Mommy? You share with me?
Will you share with me, Mommy? Whoa! Whoa! Goodness, you gotta stop and look at stuff.
What is that?
This is for
Ooh.
Yes.
What's in there, Isabel?
Candy.
This is for Mommy.
Ooh, yay!
Bracelet.
I don't think it's for Mommy anymore.
These are my bracelet.
Oh, you're
Oh,
gonna? Can I
really?
borrow them sometime? Can Mommy wear it sometime?
Yeah.
Yay! You gonna share?
Say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.
Say love you, Granny.
Love you, Granny.
It's your princess crown.
Yeah.
Pretty. Oh, I wonder who this is for. Doop.
What is that?
What is it?
Let me open it, creepy. What did Daddy do with that knife?
Molly put it in a safe place. You left it on the floor.
Obviously, I wouldn't need it again.
Are you cleaning your fish?
What is that?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what is it?
What is it? Can you put your tongue back in your mouth?
It's a fishy. No, it's my fishy.
It's your fishy?
Yeah.
What's it made of?
Show Mom. Give Mommy one of those fish kisses.
My fishy.
Missy?
Oh my God.
Fishy.
Why did you bite off the whole
Fishy.
head?
Maybe a little more than I thought.
Because you thought she was going to pull it away. Whoa.
I think that's enough fishy for Daddy and Missy right now.
Isabel, do you like it? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look over here.
Say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.